Hi everyone, this is Boris. Welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draws. So I just wanted to make a short video explaining in a simple way, as much as I can, the perspective, 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, and 3-point perspective. So because I mean, to be completely honest, in YouTube videos, like I feel like they are not really clear. So let's start. So I'll just, I'm just using a table, and so these are Monster by Urasawa Naoki, or Naoki Urasawa. I'll do a full length video about this series, but so first, so this would be a 1-point perspective because everything will converge there. Okay. So the horizon line is where your eye line is. Okay. It's a 1-point perspective. Okay, next. So, okay, just imagine these are buildings and this is the road. Okay, so next one is 2-point perspective. So 2-point perspective is if you were standing in the corner of a road, okay. Well, here it's not really visible. But a 2-point perspective, okay, I think. So the 2-point perspective is there will be 1 point. So these, you see the edges of the books will converge there, and then the backs of the book will converge this way. Okay, so again, it all depends where you look at it from. So 1-point perspective, 2-point, 3-point can be like bird view or what they call worm's eye view. So let me place it. So a moment, I have to sit on the floor. Okay. So there's one new point which will converge on top. Okay, like if you look at the side of the books, they will converge there. Okay. Of course, you still have the 2 points that we showed. So actually, you can see like this book is slightly bigger than this book, right? So you see, so already the line is going like this, and then it will converge here, and same here. Go like this. And then it will converge there. Okay, I hope that was clear. Thank you for watching.